Hello student, welcome to this new video lecture related to indirect narration. In this video, we shall discuss about past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense, where we shall discuss about how to change the sentences of past indefinite tense into indirect. As usual, you know very well, there is a rule: if reporting verb is in past tense, then reported speech will change its tense as per the table: present indefinite, past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Now, past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense will change into past perfect tense. How? We shall discuss in this video. So let's begin. First of all, we shall discuss about affirmative. So I am writing a sentence in affirmative. A sentence: he said to hurry. He said to hurry. You have to write a sentence in past indefinite tense. Ramesh killed a snake. I would like to remind you, past indefinite tense affirmative is the only place where we use second form of the verb. Nowhere else second form of the verb is used. This is the only place where we use second form of the verb, where past indefinite tense affirmative. Nowhere else. And this is most used form of verb. Second form of verb is used mostly whenever you tell any story. Whenever you read any story, there you can find mostly second form of verb. There lived a king, he killed a deer, he followed, whatever. Any past event mostly written in past indefinite tense using second form of verb. Now, he said to hurry. Ramesh killed a snake. This is a sentence in simple past tense or past indefinite tense. How we are going to change it? He, as usual, told hurry. He told hurry. Then that. Conjunction that. In indirect narration, you know very well, we do not use comma, inverted comma, question mark, exclamation mark. He told hurry that. It is third person Ramesh, so no change required. Ramesh, past perfect, had plus V3, had killed. You know very well. Kill, killed, killed. Both the forms, second form and third form are same. Ramesh had killed a snake. So in this way you are going to change it. Now the second one that we are going to discuss related to negative. Salim said to Anarkali. Salim said to Anarkali. In past indefinite tense negative we use did not. So I did not. Salim said to Anarkali, I did not pray today. Salim said to Anarkali, I did not pray today. Did not. Simple past tense negative. And with do, does, did we use first form of verb. You must remember, did not pray today. How we are going to change it? Salim told Anarkali. Salim told Anarkali that for whom I is used Salim. So he, that he had not. Past perfect tense had not V3. Salim told Anarkali that he had not prayed. Today will change into that day. I hope you are getting it perfectly. Now the third one, that is interrogative, yes or no type. The third one, the teacher said to the student, comma, inverted comma, did you bring your failure copy? Question mark. The teacher said to the student, did you bring your fair copy? The teacher said to the student, question asked the teacher, asked the student, yes or no type, if or whether. Did you? It is a question and we'll change it into affirmative sentence. Along with, we'll keep in mind the change of tense. Whether you, who, student, whether he. whether he had brought brought his fair copy. Whether he had brought his fair copy. Now the last one, that is fourth one, yes or no time. He said to the watchman. He said to the watchman, why did you open the gate for him? Why did you open the gate for him? Past indefinite tense, WS type. So he asked the watchman. Same question word will be used as conjunction. So, why? He asked the watchman why. Same question word is used as conjunction. No need to add that or if or whether. Why did you open the gate for him? Why he? For whom? For the watchman. Why he had opened, past perfect tense, had opened. Did you open? He had opened. Third form of verb, the gate for him. Why he had opened the gate for him. Once again, he said to Hari, Ramesh killed a snake. He told Hari that Ramesh had killed a snake. Salim said to Anarkali, I did not pray today. Salim told Anarkali that he had not prayed that day. The teacher said to the student, did you bring your fair copy? The teacher asked the student if or whether he had brought his fair copy. He said to the watchman, why did you open the gate for him? He asked the watchman why he had opened the gate for him. That's all for the day. Thank you very much.